Statement of account list. What is the statement of account list? The statement of account is where you will find the list of generated billing or statements of accounts. This is also where the billing officer can create, edit, or delete their billing statements. These are the functions of the statement of account list. Go to Customer in the sidebar menu and select Statement of Account, then click Generated. In the Statement of Account window, you will notice the following functions. First, date range. If you wish to filter using the date of the transactions, set the desired date from and date to, then apply. Second, search bar. If you wish to search for the specific transaction using the reference number, customer name, or specific remarks, click the magnifying glass icon to apply. Third, advanced filter. If you wish to filter the transaction's common information, example, you're looking for a transaction with the same customer. To filter, click Apply. Lastly, the drop-down arrow. Beside the advanced filter, this is used to export the list you filtered. The exported data will be an Excel file format. On the other hand, you can right-click a certain transaction and select from the following options. Related, to check and open the link to the related transactions. Print, if you want to print a copy. Email, where you can email the statement of account copy to your customers or other recipients. Delete, if you want to delete the recorded statement of account. Those are the functions of the statement of account list. Now let's proceed on how to create a statement of account.